We have some more first order differential equations. dy dx is equal to 3y, given that y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0. Set these up. So if we cross multiply this guy, we're going to get dy over y is equal to 3dx. If we integrate 1 over y, we're going to get the natural log of y, or the log of y to the base e, between y and 1 will be equal to 3x between x and 0. So we're going to get the log of y to the base e minus the log of 1 to the base e, which is equal to, this is equal to 0. E to the power 0 is equal to 1. This will be equal to 3x minus 0. So log to the base e of y is equal to 3x. E to the power 3x is equal to y for question 1. Question 2. We're told y is 2 when x is 0. Y is 2 when x is 0. And we cross multiply. We're going to get dy over y is equal to 5dx. So we're going to get the log of y to the base e between y and 2 equal to 5x, and x and 0 are our bands there. So we get log of y to the base e minus the log of 2 to the base e is equal to 5x minus 0. So we bring these logs together, we're going to get the log to the base e of y over 2 is equal to 5x, or e to the power of 5x is equal to y over 2. So 2e to the power of 5x is equal to y for number 2. Number 3, we're told y is 1 when x is 0. Y is 1 when x is 0. If we multiply across by dx and divide across by this, we're going to get dy over the square root of 1 minus y squared is equal to 2x dx. And this is our 1 minus a squared, so we're going to get the inverse sign of y over 1 here, just the inverse sign of y between y and 1 equal to 2x squared over 2, so just x squared between x and 0. So we're going to get the inverse sign of y minus the inverse sign of 1, which will be pi over 2, is equal to x squared minus 0. So we're going to get x squared minus pi over 2. That'll be plus pi over 2. Will be equal to the inverse sign of y. So y is equal to the sine of x squared plus pi over 2. Number 4, we have a dx and a dt. So if we bring the x to the left, we're going to get dx over x. So set up our integral, and we're told that x is equal to root e when t is equal to 1. X is equal to root e, and we're going to have the x over x is equal to the integral of t dt, and we're told when t is equal to 1. So we're going to integrate 1 over x to get the log of x to the base e. And we have x and root e will be equal to t goes to t squared over 2 between t and 1. So we're going to get the log to the base e of x minus the log to the base e of root e will be equal to t squared over 2 minus 1 over 2. The log to the base e of e to the power of a half becomes a half log to the base e of e, which is equal to 1. So this just becomes minus 1 over 2. I'm just going to bring that down. My t squared minus a half. We have log of x to the base e, so the halves will cancel. So we get e to the power of t squared is equal to x for number 4. Not forgetting my t squared over 2 over 2.